Time for some spring Easter paper for free. You find it there on my coffee. Here we have some leaves and flowers and collage with chicken. A little bit grungy at the back. Here are more soft, clear colors. A little text and flowers, birds, rose, sunflowers, text, the back, and distress. The soft, really soft, I love it, it's beautiful. And a hare, can have it as a cover. He's looking at you. Ooh. And another cover. Like that, I was thinking. Yep. And some tags. They went pretty small. I'm still learning Canva. So otherwise you can make some of your own. You know how to do it. Thank you for watching. Bye.